Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to withdraw fiat currencies on Leptage. Section 1. Withdrawal page entry. There are two ways to access it. 1. On the wallet page, simply click Withdraw. 2. Or, from the left-hand menu, select Withdraw, then simply click Fiat. Section 2. Initiate withdrawal. Step 1. Select withdrawal currency. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal amount. Step 3. Select recipient account. This will display the withdrawal accounts you have successfully added. Step 4. Enter transaction details. Step 5. After confirming all the information is correct, click Withdraw Authentication to initiate a withdrawal. Section 3. Checking withdrawal status. You can view your withdrawal details in the Transaction History section of the left-hand menu. On the page, select Withdraw under the Type filter and click Search. All your withdrawal records will be displayed. Click Detail to view the full transaction history. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn fiat currency on Leptage. Thanks for watching and happy trading.